Ever pondered the journey of a hamburger from raw ingredients to your plate? Let's delve into the art of hamburger production, where each element, from the crust to the toppings, tells its own tantalizing tale. Join us as we unravel the delicious secrets behind this culinary classic. Are you ready for an adventure full of flavor with Captain Discovery? Originating as a simple ground beef patty in 19th century Hamburg, Germany, the hamburger was brought to America by German immigrants, where it soared in popularity in the 20th century. In the US, it became a cornerstone of fast food culture, with giants like White Castle and McDonald's leading the charge. Join us as we delve into the intricate world of hamburger production, where tradition meets modernity in the bustling heart of a factory. Our story starts in the hands of skilled butchers, where select cuts of meat are chosen with care, destined to become the centerpiece of the hamburger. In modern production facilities, these cuts undergo a transformation as they're fed into automatic grinders. It's here that the meat is ground to the perfect coarseness, a crucial step that defines the burger's texture and bite. Within the humming walls of this colossal factory, a staggering number of hamburgers come to life each day. Imagine, if you will, the creation of 5 million burgers daily. Yes, you heard that right, 5 million. Here, in this temple of production, an average of 500 kilograms of meat is transformed every single day into the patties we cherish. To put it into perspective, 500 kilograms is akin to the weight of a small car, all converted into the savory patties we adore. But the magic doesn't end there. In vast mixing tanks, the ground meat is then embraced by a medley of spices and ingredients, each brand weaving its unique tapestry of flavors. This marination stage is where the meat truly begins to sing, absorbing the rich spices, melding them into its very fibers, ensuring that every bite is imbued with a distinct, irresistible character. It's a symphony of flavors and textures, a testament to the art and science of hamburger production. From the meticulous selection of meat to the precise blend of spices, each step is a chapter in the story of the hamburger, culminating in the creation of a dish that's as rich in history as it is in taste. With the ground meat now perfectly marinated, carrying the essence of spices within every strand, we move to the next fascinating chapter in the creation of a hamburger, the shaping of these savory delights. Behold the shaping machine, a key player in the hamburger symphony. Here, the seasoned ground meat embarks on a transformative journey. With precision and care, the machine gently presses the meat into molds, sculpting it into the iconic shape we all know and love. Uniformity is the hallmark of this process. Each patty is molded to exact standards, ensuring consistency in appearance, weight, and size. The newly formed meat cakes are introduced to the grill, where high temperatures work their magic. But the journey doesn't pause here. Post-grilling, these savory creations are swiftly ushered into the realm of quick freezing at a temperature of 18 degrees Celsius. This vital step locks in the freshness, preserving the integrity and quality of each hamburger, readying them for the journey ahead. Next comes a crucial guardian of quality: packaging. In a sterile, temperature-controlled embrace, each hamburger is sealed away from the world, safeguarded against contamination. This packaging is not just a shield, it's a canvas, bearing essential information, from ingredients and nutritional value to the expiration date and cooking instructions. Everything a consumer needs to know is clearly communicated, ensuring transparency and trust. In the realm of hamburger creation, the crust is key. Imagine barley flour transforming into the perfect shapes, ready to embrace the heat of an oven at 240 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes. This is where they turn crisp and golden, a testament to the art of baking. After a brief cooling interlude, ensuring they hold their charm, these crusts are primed for their final act. Meanwhile, backstage, vegetables undergo a meticulous cleanse in an automated whirl, shedding any specks of the outside world. On automatic lines, each vegetable is gently but swiftly cradled and cocooned into packages. Cheese, in its own swift performance, is sliced and sealed, capturing freshness. Wrapped in clean packaging, each component is a promise of flavor and texture, all of them set to converge into the beloved hamburger. In our exploration of hamburger production, we've seen the precision and care that goes into each bite. If you've enjoyed this culinary journey, show us some love. Like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more tasty adventures. Join us as we continue to savor the art of food.